So here we are at 1784. What's the street name? Kimberley in Sunnyvale, California, 1784. Let's take a look. I'm gonna go in. Let's see if I can. Here, taking a left turn. Closet, linen closet, perhaps. Oh, there's a door. You have a bedroom / office. Decently spacious with dual pane windows. Ooh, live jazz band. Second bedroom. How many bedrooms are there? So both facing the front of the house. Let's go over here. So, bathroom with here, pharmacy or linen closet. Oops. All right. Close this. Close this. Ow. Squished my fingers. This is the ensuite bathroom, master suite, probably. And a shower that's actually relatively short, so the shower head is at around my ear level or temple level. Anyways, it works. Windows and extra storage cabinets or cabinet. Squeegee. Okay, let's turn around. Oh, look at the second bedroom. There's a live jazz band in the master suite. And walk-in, not quite walk-in closet. So, the living room. Hello. Nice mirror facing the back. Hello, hello. And dining room. It's beautiful, beautiful. So, this is the sitting space, dining room, kitchen. It's click to here, the kitchen area, dining room with dim sum, sesame balls, tsintao, and decorative apples, and water. And siu mai, and what is this? Meatballs? Beef balls, yes. Anyways, so this is the kitchen with no, not soft closing cabinet, but still nice. Nice, looks lovely. Microwave. And this one looks nice and new. Okay. And here. Alright, I'm gonna take out the bag. Ooh, win a free basket.
Last Monday. Would you like to do the weights or?
No, I just picked that
And here, you can put the TV, I guess.
Some of those classes are pretty Fill up those rooms too.
And then onto the back. So nice, I think, is it French? I don't remember what kind of door this is. So, anyways, this is a backyard. Landscape with drought resistant plants. So, drought resistant landscaping. This is a path on the back. Alright, so you can walk to the front of the house, and over here there's a pathway around the garden, so you can pace around your garden or just stroll around. More plants, live jazz band, jacuzzi, and live jazz band. And this is looking back into the living room or dining room.
You want some?
Yeah, I'll eat some. We're coming to the back, sorry, we'll addendum to the video. There's a garage. Locked. Hope you can see inside. Okay. Probably a water tank or a furnace. Wood storage, wood burning storage. And then the outside. Recycling bin. There's a trapped lemon that's growing moldy. Yard waste. Garbage and compost. Okay. Live performance. So there's a beautiful stove here, stove top with a really large oven, soft closing drawers and cabinet doors, fancy telescoping faucets, and some more doors. Natural light coming in from here, lots of windows, tons of outlets in this house. So at least 4 sets here along the wall. Large windows here in the back, and fireplace, gas fireplace, I guess, and huge ass TV space. Putting your electronics and gaming consoles and whatnot, I suppose, or games. And here there's a huge island, nice big fridge, washer, microwave. Alright, now let's check out the room here. So over here there's a linen closet. And a large bathroom, 2 sinks, nice modern shower, modern slash minimalist. And then let's see, nice room here with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 outlets, and 6th one over there. See your neighbors. You can see the passageway by the side of the house, so you can exit, I guess, from the backyard out to the front. Here's a closet, wide but not very deep. And then we'll check out over here. second room with at least 5 outlets, I recall. So, not very deep, but very functional. With 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 outlets. So, outlets galore. Let's check out the third bedroom here. Oh, before that. So you can see the laundry area, washer, dryer, and cabinet space for laundry detergent and space for other tools and cleaning agents. I'll get the lights. Oh, right. Oh, kind of like skylight. Oh, here. Backing up. Nest. More outlets. And the master suite with switches, dimmable lights. So, master suite. And the walk-in closet. It's fairly big. So multiple spaces to hold things and close the door. Oh, crawl space. Hi, Heather. And then outlets on both sides. Let's turn the lights off. More outlets. There's no Ethernet plugs in here or wiring. So bathtub, hello neighbors when you take a bath, and 2 sinks and a shower, and here the toilet room, or the WC if you care to call it that, and a view of the backyard. Not very big, but nice grass space and some wood chip space in the back for the where there are trees. All right, now let's head back out. Salt and pepper shaker seats.